show you how to download a picture off of your Facebook and then be able to modify it and print whatever you want to do. So first let's open up our Facebook, and I already found the picture, so let me show you that one. So this one here, I want to save it to phone first. So you just hold down the picture for a few seconds and then hit save to phone in the middle of the page. And then it's been saved, and then you want to open up some kind of a photo editing software. And we'll open this with Photo Editor Pro. Is awesome. That's a great app if you get the chance to check it out. It's definitely a good app. That's what I use. And let's see if it remembers the photo that I saved. And there it is. So that's easy as that. So you went to Facebook, you hold down, you find the picture that you want to save to your phone, and you just tap the picture, hold it down for a few seconds till you see the option to download the photo, and then you select download the photo, and then you open up some type of photo editing software that you have, and you can open it up that way and modify it whatever you want to do. So it's easy as that. Very good. Thanks.